deciphering the mechanism of action of pirfenidone as a therapeutic agent in mouse models of well-established chronic pancreatitis. Chronic pancreatitis is a fibroinflammatory disease of the pancreas with no targeted therapy and is considered irreversible. Antifibrotic agent pirfenidone is FDA approved for IPF. It has been shown by us to ameliorate fibrosis in well-established CP models. However, the exact molecular mechanism of its action is not clear. This is a schematic of the experiment in which L-arginine CP was induced and treatment was started 1 week after the last injection of L-arginine. And mice were sacrificed on day 3, day 7, day 14, and day 21 after starting treatment. On flow cytometry, we saw that pirfenidone reduces macrophage infiltration in L-arginine CP by day 7 of treatment. The reduction in macrophage infiltration was also seen at 14 days. Pirfenidone reduces M2 macrophages, that is IL-4 positive, F480 positive cells in L-arginine CP as early as 3 days after starting treatment. But pirfenidone does not affect M1 macrophages. It also increases the percentage of IL-10 positive macrophages by day 14. Also, the IL-10 positive T helper cells were also increased by day 14. Pirfenidone also increased the regulatory T cell population by day 14. This is the schematic that is showing the atrophy data, that is pancreas weight by mouse weight ratio along different time points. As you can see, by day 14, there is a significant improvement in atrophy in the treatment group, and by day 21, there is further improvement. This is the histology confirming that with pirfenidone treatment by day 21, there is significant improvement in histology. Vimentin, which is a marker of stellate cell activation, was also significantly reduced with pirfenidone treatment. Serious rate staining for collagen showed reduced fibrosis with pirfenidone treatment by day 21 of treatment. This is an experiment to show the effect of pirfenidone on stellate cells mRNA expression in vitro, which showed that with pirfenidone treatment, there is significant reduction in fibrotic markers as well as pro-inflammatory cytokines. As we had seen in vivo that interleukin 10 was increased by day 14. So to look at the effect of interleukin 10 on stellate cells, we stimulated stellate cells with TGF-beta, and then in another group we added interleukin 10, and we saw that there's a significant reduction in alpha SMA expression by the stellate cells. Further, we did an experiment and showed that pirfenidone reduces atrophy in well-established cerulean CP in wild type, but not interleukin 10 knockout mice after 3 weeks of treatment. Effect of pirfenidone on macrophage polarity was seen by culturing macrophages in pancreatic stellate cell conditioned media and adding pirfenidone. As you can see, pirfenidone significantly reduces M2 markers, arginase 1 and TGF-beta 2. To conclude, pirfenidone ameliorates well-established CP in mouse models by altering immune cells and the cytokine milieu. Thank you.